Hello, Tracker here, and today we're going to continue with what we started in our previous series. We're going to talk about how to restore the default settings of the infotainment system. With the last episode, we spoke about how to change the language. You probably might have changed something in the infotainment system and want to restore it back to the factory default. So this is how you go about it. Just like we did with the previous one, you use the navigation button here to navigate to the last box, the checker box that has to do with settings. So the first display page you see is the loudspeaker system with the music, where you have your bass, your loudspeaker, your microphone. Yeah. Then you click on the down button. The next you have is your language. So you should have something like this, language sync. And then you push down again, you have your display for your screen, how bright you want it, the night display and whatever. Then you come down, you have a Bluetooth system where you can connect your Bluetooth directly to your phones or any other Bluetooth device you have. Then the last one you should have should be your system settings. So your system settings, with the system settings, you can do your factory default here. So the first you have is system information, then you have restore factory default. So then you click on restore factory default and then you choose yes. Then you notice everything has changed back to the default. So let's see if it worked. Yeah, I had my language on Deutsch, now it's in English. Like you can see, no DVD found, and you can see here everything is now in English. So I would want to change it back to Deutsch. I find the language, sync language, and I use the Chrome to select Deutsch, and then I select OK. Yeah, and that is how we reset the system default settings. So I hope you find this video educative and informative. If you find my channel interesting, kindly like and subscribe to my channel. From me, it's stay safe and keep your eyes on the road.